Hi everybody, Louise here. Today we're going to have a look at the difference between a and an and the. Now last week we looked at when you use a and when you use an. So now we're going to see a little bit more in depth about when you actually use each one. So for example, let's have a look at a and an, the first picture here. We have the mother and the daughter, and the mother says, "Can you open a window?" There are 3 windows, number 1, number 2, number 3. So can you open a window means, can you open this one, or this one, or this one? One of them. And says there are 3 windows here. A window equals window 1, or window 2, or window 3. Now look at the other picture. You have 1 window, again with the mother and the child, and the mother says, "Can you open the window?" There is only 1 window. So if there's only 1 window, we have to say the. And again, there's only 1 window here. So we say the window. Can you open a window? This one, or this one? Can you open the window? Just this one. So, let's have a look underneath the pictures. We shall compare each sentence across here. So, I've got a car. There are many cars, and I've got one. I'm going to clean the car tomorrow. The car equals my car. Can I ask a question? There are many questions. Can I ask one? Compare that to, can you repeat the question, please? i.e., the question that you asked. Is there a hotel near here? There are many hotels. Is there one near here? We enjoyed our holiday. The hotel was very nice. The hotel is our hotel, the hotel we stayed at. Paris is an interesting city. There are many interesting cities, and Paris is one. Paris is the capital of France. There is only one capital of France, and that's Paris. Okay, let me just put down a bit more. Lisa is a student. There are many students, and Lisa is one. Lisa is the youngest student in her class. There is only one youngest student in her class, and it's Lisa. And you'll remember when we studied the superlative in the other video, we spoke about how you use the with the superlative. The youngest, because there's only one. The biggest country, the longest river. You remember those examples. Okay, let's. I got carried away there. There we go. Let's look at this example underneath. Compare a and the. So, I bought a jacket and a shirt. The jacket was cheap, but the shirt was expensive. So the jacket, which jacket? We're talking about this one here. So the first time we mention it, it's a jacket. The second time, we know which one it is. A shirt, the shirt was expensive. So the shirt I bought in the shop. The jacket I bought was cheap. So let's look at B. We also say the when it's clear which thing or person we mean. For example, the door. So the door to the room. The ceiling. Again, the ceiling. If you think of your classroom, we would say open the door. There is only one door, and we know which door we're talking about. Again, the ceiling, there is only one ceiling. The floor, again, the floor of the classroom. The carpet in the classroom. The light in the classroom, etc. Okay, the roof of the house. The garden. Where's John? He's in the garden of my house. Where is Mary? She's in the kitchen. Again, there's only one kitchen in my house, and we know this, the kitchen. The bathroom. Peter is in the bathroom of my house. So talking about a town, we have the center, the city center. There is only one city center. The station, the bus station, the train station, the airport. Again, I'm going to the airport in the town, and the town hall. Well, the town hall or the hospital, etc. of a town. So look at the sentences underneath. We say, where's Tom? In the kitchen. So Tom is in the kitchen or in this house or in this flat. Turn off the light and close the door. So the light and the door of the room. When I leave my classroom, I turn off the light and close the door. Sometimes a student cleans the whiteboard. Do you live far from the center? So the center is the center of your town, the city center, the town center. And the last one there, I'd like to speak to the manager, please, the boss. So the manager of this shop or the boss of this shop, etc. Okie dokes. So that is a little bit of an explanation about the a and the. Now I want to just scroll down a little bit here. Have a little look at the exercises. Now if you want, you could pause here and decide yourself. I hope hope you can see them. Decide whether to put a, an or the. The first two are done for you. We enjoyed our holiday. The hotel was very nice. So the hotel I stayed in on holiday. Can I ask a question? Of course. What do you want to ask? So the rest of these you can have a look at. You can pause the video and have a little look. Now if you want to do these, please go ahead and do them and send me your answers and I will check them. You can send me your answers, well, you could leave a comment on the video or you can find me on Facebook and send them to me. Okay. And here we go. Here's the second one. Again, you have to complete the sentences using a or the plus one of these words. So airport, cup, door, floor, picture, radio. And number one, can you open the door, please? So put an X through door. That's gone. Okay, again, pause the video there if you want to do that one. And then the last one. Put in a, an, or the where necessary. So, for example, don't forget to turn off light when you go out. Okay, this is wrong. Don't forget to turn off the light. Okay. So, like I said, please feel free to pause the video and do these exercises and find me in our Facebook group. Okay, thank you very much. I'll talk to you again later. Bye-bye.